Hello guys, Twin Magic is here, and today we're going to show you an amazing, easy and cool card magic trick that you can fool anyone that you like. Well, this magic has a lots of great thing and it doesn't require any setup, any skills, any special cards and any of those. Well, this magic it just requires a shuffle, a riffle shuffle that is so easy and you can learn it under 30 seconds. So don't worry and you can learn it very easy. Well, this is the performance. The magician has a bunch of cards, and we give the card to spectator to shuffle it. Well, in this case, I don't have any spectators, so I shuffle them by myself. Well, once the magician and the spectator was happy, we tell this spectator to say stop. In this case, they say stop right here. This is their card. Well, I show it to camera and I want to see it. This is their card. We tell the spectator to say stop again. They say stop right here. We put the rest of the cards on it. Well, we cut the cards for 10. And we start to shuffle it. Well, and for the last time, we do this shuffle. Well, now I can easily guess your card. Well, I passed through the cards. No matter how times I shuffle the cards, I can easily find it. Well, I just find your card and I hope this was your card. Okay, this was the performance. Let's see the tutorial. Well, you saw the performance. We hope that you like it. It was very easy. You can do it without any skills, any special cards. And yeah, if you are a professional, then this tree is for you. You can do cardistry in it. You can make it beautiful and something like that. And if you're not a professional in carding and you're amateur, so this could be your first magic ring, and you can fool literally anyone that you want. Okay, let's tutorial it. Okay, we gave the cards to spectator to shuffle it. In this case, since I don't have one, so I shuffle it by myself. Spectator can shuffle the cards in any way that they like. They can mix it like this. They can do a riffle shuffle. They can do anything like that. For the last time, I shuffled the cards. Once the spectator was happy and they think that everything is clear and fair, we tell them to say stop anywhere that they want. Like, this is stop right here. Okay, this would be their card. Okay, so we show the spectator their card, but we shouldn't see their card. Okay, since this is a tutorial, so I will see the card too. It's 8 of diamonds. Okay, then we put the card right here, and again we tell them to say stop. We assume that they say stop right here. Okay, put their card here. Now we should do a pinky break. We teach pinky break in our previous video. You can go there and see the tutorial. It's so easy. We use our pinky to make a break between this pile and this pile. Okay, like this. And then this is here, and everything in here is clear and fair. But in here we like made a pinky break. But we should make it so quickly so the spectator won't see it. Yeah, and look, we cut the cards like for 4 times, 3 times, any time that we want. Okay, this time I make it for 4 times. Okay, now the spectator card is at the top of the deck, like this. Okay, and for we can and at this time you can do some fake shuffles like this. Well, sorry. Well, I think I lost the card. let me find it. Well, I'm sorry, yeah, it was the third card. You should just attention to the cards to don't be lost. So a professional can lose it too. It's like it could happen to anyone, even a professional magician like Shin Lim. It is okay. This you should practice. You should practice and do something better. Okay, so the spectator card is at the top of the deck. In this is the important part of this trick. We should do a riffle shuffle. We have the deck like this. Each pile should like have a equal cards, like it. I think it's equal. Then we should do something like this. Okay. When every card is like, look, they go to each other one by one. We do this. Okay. Once we got to the last cards, we should see this. Look, second card. In this case, look, it's 8 of diamonds. We should do this quick so the spectator won't get it like the performance. Okay, if we build quick like this, nothing happened. And after this, we can shuffle the cards as many times as we want. Well, you can control the card at the top of the deck too, but it's obvious. It's a little obvious, so we suggest you to don't do that. Well, if the card will be the second one, it will be lots of better, and the spectator won't guess it. And you can show the first card, and you can show the last card that it's not the spectator's card. And yeah, after you notice their card, you can do a lot of things, like you can read their mind, you can tell them to think of your card, and a lot of things like that. Well, this was the trick. We hope that you enjoy it. Please like, share, and subscribe the video, and post a comment under the video. And don't forget to see our next videos.